This is our knife handle after we cut it out of the first operation blank. As you can see, I've got a straight side on here, and then we have radius side. Most mill vices, all mill vices, are set up to be perfectly parallel with each other, okay? So if I were to clamp on this part on a regular vise, it would only clamp right here. It means as soon as I start to machine it, it's just going to rip the part out, okay? Ours, what I'm going to do is hold it straight side right here against the fixed jaw, and then I can actually have my movable jaw kicked off at an angle, and I have sufficient play in my jaws to actually clamp a large portion of this section and the high point over here, along with the entire fixed jaw side. So I'm going to set it up like this, hold it in place, lock down my movable jaw at this angle. Whoop. Tighten it up a little bit more. So this is securing my movable jaw to the table. Okay. And then I have flexibility of my jaw, which will be tightened down with these two screws right here. So I'm going to bring it back in again. I'm going to back this guy out just a hair. Okay. Then I'm going to start cinching these guys down a little bit at a time on both. Actually, that guy looks like he was part of the problem. Okay, there we go. So we have contact there. We have first contact there. Okay, now I'll start tightening these guys up a little bit more so it's about the same tension on each side. That's getting pretty tight. Okay, all right, and right now, this guy's not going anywhere. Okay, and these are our long serrated jaws that I'm using. Okay, so now I'm going to take my 7/16 end mill, and we're going to come down and buzz 240 thousandths off the back side of this so I have a finished part.